Hello everyone. Welcome to the Professional Mobile Repairing course. My name is Asad Malik, and in this course, I'll guide you step by step on how to become a skilled and confident mobile repair technician, even if you're restarting from zero. In today's world, mobile phones are a daily need, and when they stop working, everyone looks for a reliable technician. That's where you come in. In this course, you'll learn the basic and advanced components of a mobile phone, how to use tools and equipment properly, how to troubleshoot and repair common faults like charging issues, display problems, network faults, and more. And finally, how to build your career or business in mobile repairing. This course is divided into simple, practical modules. Basic electronics, understanding current, voltage, and mobile circuits. Hardware repairing, working with ICs, capacitors, diodes, jumpers, and components. Software repairing, flashing, unlocking, FRP bypass, and software tools. Hands-on practice, real-world repair of different phone models. Business and customer handling, how to earn from your skills. Each session will include live demonstrations, tips from experience, and practice assignments to help you master each topic. Whether you want to start your own mobile repair shop or work professionally in the field, this course is your first step toward a successful technical career. All you need is focus, consistency, and practice. And by the end of this course, you'll be ready to repair mobiles confidently and professionally. So, let us get started with our first lesson and begin your journey to becoming a professional mobile repair technician. Don't forget to subscribe, stay tuned, keep your tools ready. Let us dive in.